day to help get viewers on Twitch. It's free, and there's no bots. As always, you know, I never deal with bots. And it's even better, I would say, than Stream Broadcaster. Not Stream Broadcaster, Stream Booster, which I previously featured. And I'll have a video link as well on that, both in the description and the end of the video, which can also help boost your views. So why I like this site? It's good because, first of all, as soon as you start getting tokens for it, you can start actually earning viewers. You don't have to wait and go on the auction, unlike Stream Booster. So even if you're a smaller person with less credits, you can still get involved and get a benefit from it straight away. So I'll have a link in the description to join up, which I think gives you an extra, it's between 20 and 30 tokens when you start out. So good news for you there. So as soon as you have logged in, first thing I suggest you do is come down here and get the daily bonus. That's every 24 hours. I'd suggest you actually have a alarm for that, ideally on your phone, mobile, or on your desktop, to remind you, go in here, grab your tokens for the day. But we'll come back here and show you how it works. So watch and earn, and it has two main modes, basically similar to Stream Booster. You watch people, you get credits for it, they get their viewers, and certainly I suggest you support the persons as well while they're doing it, so chat with them, interact with them as normal. They had a mobile version that they were trialing. Unfortunately, it wasn't working quite right. So hopefully they'll be able to get that sorted out, and depending on when you're watching, that'll be working again. But in the meantime, I'll show you how it works. So basically, two different forms. The automatic sessions, basically click on that and it'll just run and earn tokens. Every 15 minutes it changes to a new person. That's pretty much manages itself. To note that if you're on the free version, you can only do that for 10 streams. So if you do want to do it unlimited, yes, you need to pay to get the premium or the platinum. What you can do though, if you're on the free version, once you have used all your automatic sessions, is come over here to get the click to view sessions. So for this one, you do actually earn more. So for example, 1.25 tokens as compared to the 1 point, and the session time is 10 minutes rather than 15. So effectively, you're earning a little bit more that way. So just as an example of how it works, we'll show you. You click on the Viewerstorm logo, that one. Now note, this one jumps around. It's to prevent people from using automated systems. So I'll click on that, and big whales, you're going to be featured on my video. Congratulations. And it comes up just like pretty much a normal stream session, that broadcast that you're watching. So basically how it works, you come across to the My Stream section. Make sure, as I said, it's got the correct formatting for your details. Stream status detection. No, that's a mouthful. That'll just automatically activate. And you can set it as well. So if you've only got a few tokens, you can set it for how many max viewers you want. And the more viewers you get from Viewerstorm, it'll take more of your tokens. So see, as I mentioned there, make sure it's case sensitive. They want to make sure that it's right. Hello! Now, so that's how it works. Or when you're in stream, you get your viewers sent to you. Now, there is a couple of other ways, though, to earn tokens. The redeem code, they have redeem codes. You can get that, as they mentioned, on their Twitter. Have a check on their latest posts they've got, latest tweets. And they also have a newsletter. They have codes that they include in that. To note, the actual codes, I believe they don't actually last that long, possibly a week or so. So going back through the old Twitter feed, beyond, you know, like I said, a couple of weeks, it'll probably be expired and out of date, unfortunately. And I had a look online as well, all the coupon sites that mentioned about viewer codes for it, yeah, they're really out of date, so that's absolutely useless, unfortunately. But there are a couple of other ways so that you can earn tokens as well. The rewards, I like this idea actually. For those, you're probably familiar with what a raid is. Basically, you send all you and your viewers off to another channel, so you can people actually give rewards for this. So as an example here, we'll make a nice easy one. Come down to Mike Wazowski. He has a reward where as long as you have at least 15 viewers and you do a raid. So as an example, I'd say go raid and put that in my chat, and we go across to raid him. Then I can then come back here and claim my reward. So 15 tokens there, and he gets 15 viewers. So, you know, it's a good, nice little exchange there of how it can work. Now, there is actually a couple of other ones just to mention it. The token vault. Basically, it's like a bank vault where you put your tokens in here, and if you have at least 500, you earn 1 token. So that's not too much, but once you start to get 750, 1,000, 2 tokens, or 3 tokens, and I know that's not a huge amount, to start with, but it builds up over time. And if you're doing this for a whole year, that's an extra quite a few tokens over that time period. More viewers coming to your channel. Now, the token lottery. I'm not too sure about this one, if it's worth it unlike the Stream Booster one, because, yeah, they start with the 25 token, and then everyone buys tickets which cost 5 tokens, and then it builds up and the winner takes all. So, you're putting a lot into that one. Get it? I don't really know. I'll leave it open if you want to try it. And yes, the premium members can buy more tickets, of course. The other way as well, I'll leave a description if I decide that the token lottery is actually worth it. But like I said, you got a couple of other ways to get it that I think are a bit more. And I'm not going to go too much into the premium upgrades, platinum upgrades, the Storm Pass. You can have a look at that if you want to bid on it. As I mentioned there, you get 1 full hour of unlimited views. So just to show you that, this is a person using Eye of the Storm as an example. Actually, I'll unmute you. There you go. Beard for the win, I like that. So, quick update. Viewerstorm have introduced a bonus offer that when you sign up for your profile, I believe you need to wait a week if you haven't had a premium account during that time. They'll show this up on screen, giving you the chance to have a premium account for 5 days for free. Now, I do recommend that you actually wait initially once this offer comes up if you're brand new to the site. The reason is that in order to get these bonus tokens, 3 Storm Passes, that you need to have watched 100 streams. The reason that's important is the Storm Passes will vanish if you haven't used them by the end of your premium trial. So yeah, wait a little while, get the 100 streams, get the bonus tokens, and as soon as you get the Storm Passes as part of that, probably a good idea to use them pretty much straight away. So have either a longer stream or say over 2 days, because yeah, when the premium ends, they'll go away when you go back to free. So keep an eye out for that special offer. Also, just a note, while you're on premium, yes, you'll get more for your manual view, more for your automatic view, and as I've mentioned before, you can just leave the automatic viewer on. So if you're going to be out and about, you can just leave that on a PC, for example. So yeah, creating multiple profiles, they do crack down on that, and yeah, creating multiple profiles just to get the token bonus, bad idea. Still, I like this site. It's, like as I said, it's better than Stream Booster in my view. Much more user-friendly. There's more of the community chat going on, and you can certainly support your fellow broadcasters. So, if you actually haven't seen it, about my Stream Booster one, as well as the owning, whatever you want to call it, depending how you say it, site, because you can combine all these 3 sites. So you use Viewerstorm, if you can win the auction on Stream Booster, save up for it maybe, and get the free one as well for the owning side. I know it doesn't have too many views, but hey, you put those all together, that can certainly push you up the charts and get you a nice chunk of views. So if you can share this video on Twitter, Facebook, or Reddit, for example, and I'll be sure to leave the links for both the Viewerstorm, Stream Booster, and the owning site in the description, as well as the top pinned comment. I'll include some updates as I do go through using it a bit more. And if they do add mobile, I'll set the mobile owning as well, because that's something if you're on the go, or if you're going to be away from your computer for quite a while. So if this is something that's useful for you, and like, comment, and subscribe. As always, you can follow us on our stream Twitch as well. Always being lovely to see there. If you want to do a team up, let me know. And as well, you can certainly promote this site as well as this video. Let people know what's going on. Until then, you guys have a wonderful evening, and good luck with your streams.